Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to share Messenger QR code, like your friends wants your Messenger to add on it. So you have the QR option to share with your Messenger profile. So how you can do it, I'll show you. Open up your Messenger and log into your account and go to main menu at the bottom right corner, and then you will see on the top right corner a QR. Simply tap on it and then you will see this QR. So simply you can do is share it with your friends as well, and also you can simply click on that QR on the top right corner and scan the QR from your friends or the people that you wanna add on Messenger. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.